kasang ke isu apa ka janam jangka education cell nang ba u education secretary usang lapin menang sanbiat aka kendai trik unai tung relek banyak kendu ya ke menteri jangka tenaga ke kia ke Dr. Amparin Lengdo bandawa penbaik hak beri bekas state kota nakam taka jeng hak pudi kerpang kebalik polis syabar ha bukan hakinang tok kebon nakal yang unang ilam ke isu loang baka jengwan jangka senggal halo ka citi ke bakal senggal hak syaka menteri hak artarik unai tung arja arhusau dak bapanjang pensyai yakin number baka jelaka yo aka state kota Paduk ban yo jeng syah ka bidi baka jeng du kisam la puli khasi mani puli MBBS lembaga open category ketinggan kisam la puli MBBS lembaga state ki bana ka jela ki bla yo ya ka open category ki bam deki khasi ndeki bam trepat pan phai pat syaka jela ban aga jeng syakri bat ya ki bakum kita keseng kadua baka sokar ka de ban thot bat banam aila deki wan syupat khama jeng syakri ya ka jela miklaya
Nilai kendo Minister Jong Health Dr. Amparin Lengdo kani kerja jengkot kejong yang ini kalau ke sini ke bagi lapa ha ke artrek ni pernah beladap hagi bedai bagi penbat ia di MBBS seats bedai dengan state government di halau jok kani ke sini ke bagi lapa nilai yo kejong pensai ia keba minister concern ialah pensai ini pengkat lagi officers kejong hakaba kejing dawa kejing kalau ba ke government kedai ban kerensai ban pensai syakipat pa ia kejing don joki medical seats nam tadi kena ke puli doktor kena ke state government kota di halor kani nak kalian jong i minister ialah pensai ba hadu mentah ke mengintip baru ba ke need exam kepada all over India ia kini mentah kadang-kadang pending for Supreme Court di ia kena number exactly hadu mentah ipat la benai hendrai halor ki wei pat ki jung dawa kiba nakaliang keseng ila dawa nomor bengilalap pamen syam senam kadon kajeng pombat hagi badai ban kajeng tab lani ban penbat ban bah yaki MBBS students kiba yo universiti kota haka bagi don ki kena khasi kiba long qualified ban rung subu syaka open category kila ya kot bor ban rung open category hendai kumi kita ru ki don kiba do di nakaliang jong di minister ila pensai ba kanong dan syuk pun kata ba kinu kisam la khasi kiba kotbor bandrung haku open kategori kumi kini otsha bandrung bat hakajo kopor nila karansha bat nila dawa kaniru kadai gawai na kidau bagila mansam senam bakadan ko wikakis na po Chente Hills hakaba ubay ubar jala ula summit ya kikot kisla dakaba thubu ban rung banyo lam ya kabha na kadika kota kajongi juga state government kajongi ya kaba ula summit iki residential certificate berkumta terter tinggilah kan syai ban ila dawa ba omdaisyo ban priang iki kot kisla jong kini ki barjala ki basyuklim ban tang banyo rung hakam kota kajongi ban ila dawa rupa ka department hi kadai ban bisar bania ya ki kot kisla ban verify nanu ki residential certificate ki PRC dan teng ki PRC ki di ki poi ai ki suli apa PRC wala rakim dai makana ki ba ki traditional lani ki trai jalan kani ka jalan jongi hab ka pemerintah ke government kariban long clear bat kariban pentikra makani ka jengjit ya ki sama puli MBBS kariban ko khoi basuba kham dadan ka jembori hangno nguru bat ka wai ka banta hak bedai ban kini ki beladap ban puli MBBS nak state kota hendrai yimla banlen ba bon hi ki bayo nak open category khamtam ki bongdai ki khasi anda ki ladap baniyo nak state kota bon sien ki juja agan ki jela bat kim juan phai pat ka jela banaya ka service saki pat ba jong ka jela kani ko ra ka jung teko haki jaga sumar khamtam haki jaga nong kondong ki badagi PHC ki CHC ki sub centers bat kum ta terter tingila dawaru pengilai kerensai bat i minister concern hak ba ka government kadiban wan ban thuet yaki tu baro ki bala puli nak state government kota bat ki bakhlam syam lawan phai shu ka jala bat ki bakhlam siu hero ka bon kum ki te bat ka sarkar kum kini ka government kadiban le teng e bat ban wan yaki bat ban pentikna bagi wan phai pat ka jala ban ser ya ka state ka jumi medical college ni layakran bagi minister ni leong ba ke government kali ban president ya ka ban pen berlong ya kan ke medical college ke jungi tenang bahkan pensuk ya hipat bahi borok kumjo gitu kisam lah kiba wa ban pentebet lagi hakan ya kam puli doktor bat hakiba dai ro bat jeng smart abang idon ya ke medical college kumadan ki wipat ke jela kalau ke jeng yaram sikadai ya nam tadi pat ba jeng jela hi borok koi bat ki seats ila kerjai ba sokau ga khasi jendia sokau ki garo ka tutri sokau but khatsan nakam taki OST batsan nam taki open kata itu IP ka kopi kani ka kopi ka bon tli ki page ya ba pila
I had an interaction with the KSU Education Cell on the proposed implementation of allocation of seats for medical studies, MBBS, by the state of Meghalaya. So the first thing was that we have seen a proportionate increase in numbers of seats allocated to the state of Meghalaya from its first allocation. Today, state in 2023 academic session, we got 94 seats. We hope that these numbers of seats will continue to proportionately increase in allocation. We are having some observations that are pertinent to the shortage of doctors in the state of Meghalaya. So alongside this allotment of seats by Government of India, the KSU and I had a conversation on the status of the medical college. And yes, both the medical colleges, the third medical college, which is the Botany Hut Institute of USTM, and the USTM Institute also is progressing very well. We will have to have certain consultations with regards to the matters of doctors engaged in the teaching posts. So doctors in the state of Meghalaya retire like other government employees. There is an urgent need now to review this, especially for the doctors who are going to be engaged in the teaching profession. So that is something that we need to do. The other thing is that why is it that from year to year we are increasing the numbers of seats for medical college studies for the students of Meghalaya? Why is it that we still have this huge shortage? So we're going to be reviewing the bond. We're going to review all these important concerns to ensure that doctors who avail this from the state of Meghalaya return to the state of Meghalaya. So we are engaging with actively with the law department, where we will be reviewing and revisiting this policy so that we ensure that our doctors, our students who get into this privilege of getting these allocation of seats away from need qualification to a large extent, come back to the state of Meghalaya to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. Then we were also able to attend to the problem that we had last year. We had a consult on that as well. Who are the eligible beneficiaries for an allotment of MBBS seat by the government of Meghalaya? The whole controversy that surrounded the PRC issuance of TCs. So all of that now is in better position, and we hope that as and when the court gives the nod to the government of India to start need counselling, we hope that by then we will be better placed and we will be able to do necessary interventions to ensure that all of these matters are attended to. Because for a very, very long time, doctors graduating from privileges given by state are seen not to come back to state. So all of that will be attended to, and we hope that As we see that there is competition in the application of the MBBS seat allotment, there should also be a responsible return to the state of Meghalaya.